The technology is new. The pattern isn't. Being afraid of AI does not make it go away. As soon as something in AI starts working, people stop calling it AI. Today, $20 buys access to the world's peak AI and the total sum of human knowledge. The future is not man versus machine, but man with machine versus man without. AI will not replace people, but people who use AI will displace those who do not. Creating powerful AI might be the biggest event in human history, or the last. With artificial intelligence, humanity is effectively summoning the demon. Artificial intelligence is not a crystal ball. It's a calculator.